Let's take a look at how you can bring custom generative AI to your data in Fabric. Let's create a new Fabric item called an AI skill, and let's see what it does. I'm going to name it Loyalty Member Support Insights, because what I want to create is a custom generative AI tool that is an expert that can answer questions about loyalty members and customer support cases. The first thing I'm going to do is to add my data from OneLake. I can just select the Lakehouse, and now I can select the specific tables that I want the AI to have access to, and that's it. Let's ask how many support calls we've had from loyalty members, but break it down from the source that the loyalty member joined from. And now behind the scenes, we use our AI models to generate a SQL query and give an answer. Here, we let you put generative AI directly on your data and then integrate it into your own custom solutions. And the skill is really just focused on what it knows, which in this case is Contoso Outdoors loyalty members' data and support cases. Let's ask another question. Who is the most recent loyalty member to make a support call? And the answer is Angelina Schlitz. This is a good answer, but I'd like to include some supporting info. And this is where I can add some notes for the model on how I want it to behave. I'm going to tell it to include some additional columns when responding about loyalty members. And now, let's rerun the question. And this time, the answer is bringing in the additional info. Now, let's ask for all support calls from Angelina. And here's a list of the calls. Now, let's break down all our cases by where they came from. And here's the breakdown. Now, let's do one more question. Let's ask for our top 10 loyalty members, and this time, we actually got a wrong answer. It just listed the members because it didn't know how to rank them. So if I quickly look at the data in the table that I have, I can see I have a column for lifetime spending. Let's give the model another note to use this column when asking about top ranking members. And now we can get the correct answer. So finally, once I'm happy with the result, I can go ahead and publish this. This experience can give me an endpoint that I can use to send questions to. But this is really an ideal fit for integrating this capability into other RAG-based AI orchestration options to give them access to experts on your data in Fabric. And stay tuned for other ways to integrate and use Fabric AI skills. For example, for building custom copilots in Microsoft Copilot Studio, or to extend Microsoft M365 Copilot. And hopefully, this is giving you an idea of how you can bring custom generative AI to your data in Microsoft